So this is my trifecta to how to make money in the stock market. Firstly, you need to find trending stock. Now, secondly, you need to learn how to buy at the low of this trending stock. So you need to buy as low as you can. And then you need to learn how to ride the trend. If you can get all these 3 steps correct, this is where you will score big win. Just imagine buying NVIDIA in the early days. This is what we are striving to do as investors, okay? Now, how do you identify uptrending stock? Now, this is an example of a downtrending stock. Now, we have come up with our own indicator. We call it the P percentage, okay? This P percentage will be able to tell you what stock, okay, what trend is the stock currently doing. This is for people who have a challenge trying to reach chart. So you don't need to know higher high, higher low, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. All you do is to look up for the P percentage color. If it's red or orange, likelihood is either sideways or downtrend. Okay, just like what you see here on the Tesla chart. But when it is on an uptrend, your P percentage will be green color. This way, it is very easy for anybody to look for uptrending stock. Correct enough? Okay, so now I want to show you your stock. As I promised, I want to show you your stock. Okay, let me just turn on the indicator over here. Now, those of you from Singapore, you can see this stock. What? Yang Zhijiang, I think everybody know, right? Yang Zhijiang, can take a look. The trend is uptrend. That is why it is green color. And when it's not going up, can you see the color changes to orange? So this will tell you that time to step out of Yang Zhijiang. Do not buy it anymore. Wait for it to turn green again. This is one example. Come. Now I want to check your stock. So any volunteer who want me to check your stock, please give me a stock name right now. Then we'll take a look at it together, okay, to show you how this green and orange and red thing work. Then I will share with you why we come up with this indicator. Marion, if there's anybody who messaged you with the stock name, you got to tell me because I can't see your site. IBM, Micron, Singtel. Okay, let's do Micron. Because I don't think IBM is uptrend. Oh, wow. It's been a long time since I last traded IBM. It is indeed an uptrending stock, guys. You see the big green color? Okay, and Micron. MU. Okay. Micron is a very good example. Okay. Take a look at this. Can you see that it is green color on the way up uptrend? Now, the thing is, when it is green color, all you need to do is to look out for the low to buy the stock. Simple enough. When it is orange or red, don't touch the stock anymore. Don't look to buy Micron anymore. Simple, guys? Okay, how many of you feel that? Wow, this way it becomes simple to identify trend? Comment 1. Okay, while waiting for your 1, let me share with you the story why we come out with this P percentage. Okay, it's because all these years we have been trying to automate our trading strategy, and we find it very difficult to tell the system to just take uptrending stock until we discover this formula. Okay, that can help us from the 7,000 Wall Street stocks. We filter out the uptrending stocks using this P percentage. All we need to do, guys, is to just trade the green color stocks. Simple. Okay, simple. Comment 1 for me, please. Thank you very much. Right. Now I'm beginning to see more people reply. Thank you. Okay, so let's move on. Also, now you know the P. Okay, percentage P, green color, you take the trade, then it's usually an uptrending stock. These are the 4 examples. We've got Goldman Sachs, we've got Coca-Cola, we have got Colgate, we have got Walmart. All of them are green color. That is why we only want to trade green color stock. Now, in our auto trading platform, we have created 2 watch lists, okay, which is the TM100 and TM38. Now, this is very important, guys, because if you were to auto trade the whole stock market, Wall Street, you are going to find your account being taken to trade lousy stock. It has to be uptrending stock. So by our system able to filter out uptrending stock, we are able to achieve higher win rate. And your equity growth will be 45 degrees up because it only takes uptrending stock. Everybody understand? That means the system will try to avoid sideways and downtrending stock, only pick uptrending stock. That is why it can win money. Okay, now I want to do a demo to show you that if you were to trade the same strategy, okay, one strategy on TM38 watch list versus the S&P 500 watch list, you can see a big difference in their trading performance. Okay, so I'm going to bring you to my tool over here. Okay, so I'm going to do TM38. Now, these are all our strategies, TM38. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, probably just set this to 5,000. Most of you should be 5,000. Okay, this is the watch list part. Okay, so watch list part, TM38. Okay, I will do TM38 first, and I will screen a 5-year history. Okay, the longer we go, the better. Because if you start from 2019, right, guys, what you will have is the 2020 that market plunge due to COVID. Then you have the Ukraine war in 2022, which lasted about 8 months. So you have all the uptrend and downtrending years inside this backtest. Then only you can use this in peace. Then you know that, wow, this will work because it has gone through all the different bear markets. So what I'm going to test initial capital 5,000, okay, on this watch list, run test. So the system is now testing. Now, this platform is web-based. We no longer need application. Everything is web-based nowadays. Okay, so the back test is done already. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so you can see the blue color is the system equity. That means the strategy, we trading the strategy TM38, okay, achieve a return of 204%. Okay, and S&P 500 during the last 5 years, it achieved about 87.5%. Okay, so you can see, so this system already beat S&P 500 hands down, the index. But now I'm going to screen the 500 S&P stocks for you. Then you'll be able to tell the difference. Okay, so this is the TM38 watch list. So now I'm going to screen S&P 500 stocks, the 500 stocks. I'm going to use the same capital, same back test from and today. I'm going to run the test. Now, this is what I mean, validate your trading strategy. Then once you know how it works, it has done well over the past 5 years, you'll be able to use it in peace, okay, when you turn it on for auto trading. Okay, so it's testing the 500 stocks, so therefore it's a bit longer. Everybody can follow me so far? Since we are waiting for the strategy, maybe I can take a few questions. Any questions so far? Just let me know under the meeting chat. Let us know, not let me know. Let us know under the meeting chat. Okay, the back test is done. Wow, before a question comes, the back test is already done. Nice. Okay, so this is the performance. You can see the performance now is only 141%. If I use the same strategy, Trendmaster 38 on S&P 500 stocks. So let me go to the lab reports to show you. So the lab reports, so this is the strategy. These two are strategy that we tested. So this is the one that we tested on the 503 stock in S&P 500, and this is the one that we tested on the 37 stock in TM38. Okay, so total number of trades taken for S&P 500, 556. This is 293 based on 5K capital. So your win rate 85% for S&P 500 only, which is already good, right? Because, okay, in the first place, the strategy is good. That is why the performance is good. So if you anyhow find stock, any strategy to trade, it may not use so well. Okay, then Trendmaster 38, if you trade it on the watch list TM38, you notice the win rate is higher. Okay, and then take a look at the ROI. You have 204% return in the same 5 years versus the 142%. So guys, this example, this case study is to prove to you that it is very important what stock you are trading. If you are not trading the uptrending stock, you are making your life very miserable and tougher to make money in the stock market. Okay, so if you understand, comment 1 for me. Comment 1 for me. I need to see the interaction so that we can proceed. I don't want to lose anyone at any part of the presentation. Okay, so let's go on. Oops, sorry. Okay, we're done with this. Let's move on. Okay, so this is the trending stock. So just now I do the screening to prove to you that it is very important what stocks you are trading. So you cannot expect to trade 7,000 stock by random and you expect a good result. So you must look for trending stocks only. Now we should focus on the strategy. How to buy at the low. Okay, how to buy at the low. Now this is a chart of SFM, stock symbol SFM, Sprouts Farmers Market. So guys, given a choice, right, to buy at A or to buy at B, where would you want to buy? A or B? Give me a response under the meeting chat. A or B? Most of you say B lah. Most of you will say B. Okay, now it's correct. Why? Because B is the low of the uptrend. Okay, you can see, right? It's going up, it pull back, time to buy, go up, pull back, time to buy, go up, pull back, time to buy, go up, pull back, time to buy. Now it is very easy to see after it has happened. Am I right? So we have devised our strategy to pick up the signal at the lows of an uptrend. So can you see when it is going up here, right? There is no more green arrow. Can you see that? The green arrow happened at the low. Like it go up already, right? It pulls back. This is the signal telling you that the stock is doing a low. Sorry, the uptrending stock is doing a low. Why? Because it's green color in the P percentage. Then when it goes up again, it pulls back. The green color arrow comes out again because it has already pulled back and it is still green color. Go up again, it pull back, go up again, pull back. Now, in uptrend like this, how do you make money, guys? How do you make money? By buying at the low, isn't it? By buying at the low, isn't it? So now I'm going to do the screening to show you how the platform, okay, how the platform will buy at all these low. Now, first of all, I need to create the watch list called SFM. So SFM, inside this watch list, there's only one stock, which is the SFM, because we are only going to backtest this stock and show you the signal, how the stock, how the robot will take the trade on this stock. Okay, then we come to the strategy lab. And I'm going to use Trendmaster 38 and then SFM. So it's going to trade SFM, okay, using 5,000. And we will just focus on this year trend, okay, so that it is much faster. January, okay, January 1st to September. Okay, so these 9 months, let's run the test. It should be fast because it's only one stock. Okay, so the back test is out. Now, this is where I want to show you. Okay, so these are the signal taken at every low of SFM. So you can see the entry date, 15th of March, April. How do I show you the chart? Let me see. Okay, I know. Just give me one moment. Let me just screen capture the dates. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to the chart. Okay, so this is the chart of SFM, right? SFM. Close the right-hand side. I'm going to close the left-hand side. Okay, now let's focus. Let's focus on this. Okay, I'm going to take away my indicator so that you have a cleaner chart. My indicator. Yeah. So we are left with the Trendmaster system only. And we started in January, right? Okay, this stock are uptrend for damn long, but I just want to show you 2024. Because of time limitation. So at all these low is where the robot should take a trade. Okay, so these are the dates. So let's compare. So March 15, it took a trade at this low. Now the robot is so smart. It will not keep taking signal at every green arrow. Correct. It will not keep taking trade at every green arrow. Like this, if the stock overexposed to risk, is also no good. So it will buy only one time at the low. Okay, buy only one time at low. So 15th of March. So in case you're wondering, how come so many green arrow only buy one time? Yeah, because this is the low, we only buy one time. Then the next one will be 8th of April over here. Okay, sorry, over here. 8th of April over here. And then we have got 3rd of June here, this low. Notice over here, the robot did not take any trade. Okay, so the May period, never take any trade. Then 3rd of June, it took. And then it took 12th of July here. And then it took 15th of August here. and it took another one 6th of September. Can you see the stock keep going higher and higher and higher? So every single trade that was taken since March, right, it result in a 21% win in this stock, 22% win, 20% win, 15% win, and the current last two trade based on the August and September entry is still in position, as you can see in the asterisk here. Okay, asterisk means unrealized trade. That means it hasn't closed the position yet and it continue to ride the trend. Okay, continue to hold until there's a reason to sell. So all these trades from July, okay, from March to July has already exited. Okay, already exited. So let's close this. Okay, so this is how you can find the low in the stock. Now, after you find the low in the stock, you must use what we call the trailing stop, guys. How many of you do not know what is trailing stop and you need explanation? If you do not know, you comment 2. If you know, you comment 1. If enough people knows, then I will skip. Wow, okay. I think got a lot of newbie today, a lot of tools. Okay, let's talk about trading stop. Okay, so what is trading stop? Now, basically, a lot of people who trade the market doesn't use trading stop. That means every time they buy a stock, up 1 or 2 days, they sell. Up 1 or 2 days, they sell. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you this question. If every time you buy a stock and you always lock in your profit at 5%, like this, isn't your account forever stuck at 5%? You will not be able to achieve double-digit growth because few $100 you take, You take the stock market, right? A place like what do you call that? Like 4D, your baseline. Always take few $100. It's not the way. The way is to buy good stock, ride the trend, and keep adding to it so that your profit will compound and grow. Okay, that is how you achieve double-digit gain in your trading account. So this is a SFM. So we have this red line. So you can see if the stock continues to go up, right, the red line will trail the price. The moment the price stop going higher, the red line will stay flat. It will stay flat until it hit, it will exit the position. This way, you will not end up selling here too early, selling here too early, selling here too early, selling here too early. This is how you achieve big gains. That is the effect of trailing stop. So we have got 3 types of trailing stop in the system. I want to introduce to you and also teach you how to use it. Okay.